Model 2014 Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Cdti short wheelbase, MOT'D low mileage. Body silver, panel van. Mileage 125195. MOT the 30th of January 2024. Engine 1995 CCM9R 115 bhp, Euro 5 B. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Elm light is on due to the MAF sensor needs replacing bolt-on part that cost £70. Very easy repair, still starts and drives brilliantly. Grin. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI.